Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I'm back to ObjectStudio and I wanted to show this small extension I made to the asBlock thing that you can do with streams. And I've added this method, asBlock with args, and all I'm doing is checking to see that the collection is not empty. So I'm turning it into an array and then checking if it's not empty. And then I go ahead in here and I put in, for each argument down here, I put in colon, the arg name, and so on. And then finally down at the bottom I invoke the compiler directly. So I'm just going to assume the ObjectStudio compiler, and then I have, with some sanity checks, just this little code here to put in the added arguments. And that comes out this way. So you have your stream var1 plus var2, stream2 asBlock with args. I hand it var1, var2 as the named arguments, and then I'm going to execute it the way I normally would, value colon, value colon. So I'll go ahead and do Smalltalk inspect, and sure enough we get 7 out the other end. And if I take a look at the block, so let's go ahead and answer the block instead. So let's go ahead and inspect the results of that. You can see that I get a block, and if I look at this, the decompiled gives me T1, T2, and there we go. So it's easy enough to do this kind of thing. You can extend the existing ObjectStudio API for this quite easily to extend your own scripting capabilities and move along generating blocks dynamically from presumably strings that you're checking pretty carefully, but in any case, it's kind of a neat feature and it adds some nice extensions to the language. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.